Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. McDade from McDade Family Chiropractic here in Rochester, New York, and thanks again for watching this short research review. And today we're going to be reviewing clinical effectiveness of upper cervical versus full spine chiropractic care on children with autism, a randomized clinical trial. And this was originally published in 2006, but very, very relevant. And what makes this publication so interesting is some of the outcome measurements they used, as well as looking at different forms of chiropractic and how it affected the nervous system in these children with autism. And it's such a huge need for research in this population of kids and population of adults that are dealing with autism. The numbers of autistic kids are just exploding right now in an epidemic proportion. Latest CDC counts that came out just a few months ago show 1 in 50 kids now diagnosed or dealing with some form of autism on the autism spectrum, and that is something that needs to be looked at immediately and really make some drastic changes in the way that we're handling this situation to help turn these kids around and get them a better quality of life. And one of the things that makes this research review also very interesting is the outcome studies that outcome measurements that they used in the study. And what they used was the Autism Treatment Evaluation Checklist, and the checklist is was developed by the Autism Treatment Research Institute in San Diego. And what it does is measures different levels of health in kids that are dealing with autism, so that you can measure before you have some type of intervention, in the middle of that intervention, and at the end of the intervention. And this research project lasted between 3 to 5 months with 14 kids. 7 of them were receiving full spine or adjustments throughout their entire spine, and 14 of them, and 7 of them were only receiving adjustments of the upper part of the neck. And that's a whole another video on why those differences are there and how it affects the nervous system differently. But really the cool thing that this research review shows is that in measurements of speech and language and communication, sociability, sensory and cognitive awareness, as well as health, physical and behavioral changes, that all the kids in the study on average receive some type of benefit. And the kids that were receiving adjustments for their whole spine on average improved 19% in those measurements over that 3 to 5 month period. And the kids that were receiving the upper neck adjustments showed on average a 32% improvement, with 2 of those kids coming out of the classification of autism altogether after that short 3 to 5 month period of care. So I hope you found this review interesting, and as always, you can get a copy of this entire research review, or the research paper, on our website at drmarkmcdade.com, and we'll have the little link right here underneath this video. And if you have any questions, by all means, feel free to email me, to give me a call, Facebook message me, whatever's convenient. We're really here to help you and answer your questions, and by all means, don't hesitate if you have one. Thanks. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.